John, Grace, and I are in Hamilton. Just picked up some burnt tongue burgers. Gotta go to Burnt Tongue if you're in Hamilton. And we're eating on some church steps like a bunch of teenagers. That was super tasty. Did you guys enjoy that?
It's really good.
Amazing. So many of you may know Hamilton as this industrial steel town, but John did some Googling and discovered that this is the waterfall capital of the world. Who knew?
Who knew?
Apparently, according to
false.
Google, could be a lie. There are over 100 waterfalls in Hamilton, so we're checking out Albion Falls. Are you ready for this?
I'm so excited.
I wore the right shoes. I came prepared.
That one's unstable. Full slip.
She scared me.
What are you trying to do to us, Henry?
Where to?
So are we climbing up?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are heading to Two's Falls.
All right. Those ones are 41 meters. Can't wait to see that. It's quite a climb. Good luck, guys. They put glass here for grip.
That's like a basis.
Yeah. It's like pottery.
So sick.
Can you make it? You can do it. All those warnings about these stairs here, I don't know, I feel like there should have been more warnings about the rocks and the falls.
I think so.
Oh well, we survived.
That sign didn't keep us out, nothing was.
Alright, we made it to Two's Falls. Excited, John?
So excited. I'm really starting to feel my fall now.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Where, on your legs?
It's like here.
Yeah, John wiped out. We didn't
Oh,
catch
yeah.
that on video.
Just a couple cuts.
Oh man, and you hit your shins.
Oh yeah. Might be bruised. I didn't check it yet, but
Is that from the fall?
yeah.
Oh man.
It's all good.
Glad you didn't break your camera.
No.
Break any bones.
I think there's a battle scar
Or
on it.
yourself.
Yeah. Although the first thing that came to my mind was, my camera.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay. Your baby's okay. Nice. This sounds so nice. I love that sound. Sounds big. Oh man. Oh, it's ginormous. What? So that was quite a contrast to the Blade Runner-like factory landscapes of Hamilton that I knew. Didn't even know about all these beautiful waterfalls. Let's start like a Hamilton waterfall marketing campaign.
Yeah.